Your car is a valuable asset that requires regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly and looking like new. One of the most important aspects of a car maintenance is keeping it clean. In this video, we will be discussing 10 car detailing and car washing tips to help you keep your vehicle looking like new. Regular car washing is the most important step in maintaining the appearance of your vehicle. Wash your car at least once a week to remove dirt and grime and prevent it from building up. Use a soap that is specifically designed for cars. Household cleaners can strip the wax of your car and damage the paint. A microfiber cloth is gentle on your car's paint and can absorb more water and dirt than a regular towel. Use a chamois or microfiber towel to dry your car thoroughly after washing. Leaving water on the surface of your car can leave water spots and damage the paint. Use a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean your windows. Don't forget to clean the inside of the windows too. If your car has leather seats, use a leather conditioner to keep them soft and supple. This will prevent the leather from cracking and drying out. Vacuum the interior of your car regularly to remove dirt and debris. Don't forget to vacuum under the seats and in the crevices. Use a wheel cleaner and a stiff bristled brush to clean your wheels. This will remove brake dust and prevent corrosion. Wax your car at least twice a year to protect the paint and give it a shiny, like new appearance. Use a car cover. If you don't have access to a garage or carport, use a car cover to protect your vehicles from the elements. This can help prevent damage from sun, rain, and other environmental factors. Keeping your car clean and well maintained is essential to keeping it running smoothly and looking like new. By following these 10 car detailing and car washing tips, you can protect your investment and enjoy your car for years to come.